Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to connect Wix website to Google Search Console. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your account, and at the top left corner, click on this option and you just need to click on Go to All Site. Select the site you want to work on and you want to connect Google Search Console. I have only one website over here, so I'm just going with this one. Once you are here, you can find that Google Search Console over here also, and if not, you cannot see this. What you can do, just click on marketing and SEO, and here click on SEO, and at the bottom you will see Google Search Console. Connect to Google, just click on this option. Here you can see complete your SEO setup checklist before you connect. So make sure to do that. Go to SEO setup checklist, name your brand name over here, click on next. So you can tell where does this business serve its customers. So I'm just going with like physical address or local area. You can enter the address of them, and if you want to go for the international, you can select this one. I'm just going with this one. Just click on next. Which keywords do you want to use in the site checklist? So make sure to enter that over here. Once you enter all of those details, you might end up over here, and this is very important process. So what happened here, like you just need to set the homepage title for your results, search results. Obviously you just need to add the homepage description for search results and the text to the home page. Make sure to done all of that, and you might have done this before already. Why? Because obviously once you are going to create your website, you might have done this already, right? After that, there are two most important options you need to do, which is the first one, custom domain. Without custom domain, you cannot connect your Google Search Console. Make sure to know that. Why? Because Google Search Console has only one step, which is to connect through your domain, and if you don't have a domain of your own, they will not allow you to connect the site to Google Search Console. Make sure to buy a domain and then connect that to your website, and after that go ahead and click on this option, and you can easily connect your Google Search Console with your website with the help of custom domain. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to connect Wix website to Google Search Console. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.